In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to use Stremio on Firestick. So let's get started. Now obviously the first step is to install it, and first of all you'll have to go to your settings, My Fire TV, then developer options, and here you'll have to turn on ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. Okay, now if you don't see developer options, you'll have to go to about, then click Firestick option 7 times to unlock it. Okay, now step 2 is to install the downloader app. Okay, now for this you'll have to go first to the Firestick home screen. From there, find and then search. You'll have to search for the downloader app, which will look something like this, and then you have to install it. Now you'll have to open the downloader app, and this is how it'll look like. From here you'll have to copy this link right here, and paste it in the URL box right there. Then you'll have to scroll and select the Stremio for Android TV. Then you have to wait for download, then click install, and after it's installed, then you have to click done, and then you can obviously delete the APK to save space if you want. Then you can easily open Stremio, basically go to your apps and channels, then find Stremio. Then you can log in or sign up, and then to start watching, first of all you have to get an add-on. Okay, now the add-on's name is torrent.io, and this is how you can get it. So first of all, you just have to go to any web browser that is there on your Firestick TV, and then you'll have to go to this link which says torrent.io.strem.fun/configure. From here you can just click on install, and then you'll be taken back to Stremio, and your add-on will be successfully added. Okay, then obviously you can browse TV shows or whatever movies you want to watch, and you're good to go. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.